Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Limeroad Beauty. My name is Tejaswini and I am here once again to show you guys some very easy tricks on how you can make your eyes look a lot bigger, more open, more awake and very fresh. So let's get into it. Her base makeup, lips and eyebrows are already done. Now let's start with the eye makeup. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Eyeshadow Primer and applying it all over the lids. I'm picking up this light brown shade on my fluffy brush. This creates the illusion of a larger eyelid. I'm taking this light champagne shade on a flat eyeshadow brush and placing this on the center of the eyelid and sweeping it towards the corner, towards the inner corner. This will also brighten up the eyelid and make it look even larger. I'm using this Color Bar highlighter to add some shimmer to her brow bone. You could use any light shimmery eyeshadow to do this as well. I'm also going to add this shimmery highlighter to her tear ducts because this will add a lot of light to her eyes and make them look very fresh. I'm taking this gel eyeliner from Sugar Cosmetics. And I'm going to start applying her eyeliner by keeping the eyelid very stretched out. And I'm keeping the eyeliner very thin in the inner corner. I'm also going to wing this eyeliner just to give the eyes a lift from the outer corner so that they look more almond shaped. Her eyeliner is done, but I'm just going to smoke out her lower lash line a little bit. Using kajal will make your eyes look bigger is really not true. It's a myth. The lighter you keep your waterline, the bigger your eyes will look. To open up your eyes really nicely, make sure that you're curling your lashes. Now that I've lifted her lashes up, I'm going to take the Color Bar Lash Illusion Mascara Duo. I'm first using the lengthening side of this mascara and creating lots of length. I'm now going to use the volumizing side of the mascara to create lots of thickness and volume. I want the lashes on the lower lash line also to look really thick. If you guys want to make your eyes look bigger, then make sure that you have a good set of false eyelashes in your makeup arsenal. There are lots of options on Limeroad and there's also an eyelash glue that's available. So download the app or get onto the website and start shopping. I hope all those tricks are easy to follow and you're able to get the desired results. Until we meet again, bye guys!